The average business owner is always on the run, trying to do everything in his or her power to solve problems, please customers, keep up, and make some profit, to survive, grow, and prosper. He is always in hope for the breakthrough idea which can propel him to the next level, but he is unsure of what investment of his time, energy, and effort will have the maximum outcome. Hi, this is Pratik Kublani, an entrepreneur and business coach, and today I am going to tell you that many of the best ways to improve a business are found in simple, small, and inexpensive things which can be done and have a positive and significant impact on your business, and your customers tend to remain more loyal. Here are 5 simple acts which will elevate your business and put more money in your pocket. The simple act of smiling, showing kindness, and expressing gratitude will draw more people towards you and generate loyalty. The simple act of treating your customers well. Remember, there is only one boss, which is the customer. Treat your customer just the way you would like to be treated. The simple act of implementing the wow factor in your business operation will give you loyal customers. It can simply be done by having a very low or negligible, close to zero waiting time or idle time when a customer comes to buy from you. The simple act of paying respect. Remember, it costs nothing to be courteous, but you can pay dearly if you are not. The simple act of keeping your business operation clean and organized will impress your customers and boost your profit. With these simple acts, you would be able to increase your customer loyalty, profitability, and growth. So start practicing these simple acts today and make your business shine. And in the meanwhile, I'll see you all soon.